One ingredient, one glass, multiple healing benefits. Baking soda and water might just be one of the simplest, most overlooked health remedies out there. Our bodies thrive in balance, but stress, poor diet, and pollution push us toward acidity. Drinking 1 teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in a glass of water can help neutralize excess acid, promoting a more alkaline internal environment. This shift may support better digestion, energy levels, and even immune function. Studies suggest that baking soda water may also calm the immune system, reducing the inflammatory response linked to conditions like arthritis, bloating, and autoimmune flare-ups. Less inflammation means less pain and more mobility. Athletes, this one's for you. When you train hard, lactic acid builds up in your muscles, causing soreness and fatigue. Baking soda helps buffer that lactic acid, enhancing performance and speeding up muscle recovery. Many endurance athletes use this natural remedy to improve stamina and reduce downtime. Mix 1 teaspoon in 8 ounces of water once daily, but don't overdo it. Too much can affect your sodium levels. Baking soda and water. It's more than a kitchen hack, it's a natural ally in your wellness journey. Natural doesn't mean unlimited. Consult your healthcare provider first.